Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have something special in store for you: the Cool Night Herb Grinder. If you're in search of the best dry herb grinder on the market, look no further. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features and benefits of this fantastic product that's been making waves among herb enthusiasts. So, without further ado, let's get started. Now, let's talk about what makes the Cool Night Herb Grinder stand out from the crowd. The Cool Night Herb Grinder boasts a large capacity and lightning-fast grinding speed. It can effortlessly grind up to 120 grams of herbs or spices within a mere 5 to 10 seconds. This means you can say goodbye to long grinding sessions and hello to quick and efficient results. One of its standout features is the visual lid design. With this innovative feature, you can control the coarseness of your grind with just one hand. It takes only 3 to 5 seconds for coarse grinding and 8 to 15 seconds for fine grinding. The visual lid design gives you complete control over your grind, ensuring it's perfect for your needs. The Cool Night Herb Grinder is not just limited to herbs. It's a powerful multi-function grinder. You can use it to grind herbs, spices, pollen, coffee beans, and more. It's a versatile tool that solves the common problems of slow grinding, low capacity, and long grinding times, making your life easier. Ease of use is a priority with this grinder. It features a one-button operation with a safety design. Simply press down on the lid, and the grinder starts working. It stops as soon as you lift your hand from the lid, ensuring your safety. You can also control the coarseness by varying the pressing time. This design not only makes it user-friendly but also safer to use. Durability matters, and the Cool Night Herb Grinder delivers. Its inner tank is crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting performance. The blade is also made from premium stainless steel, designed for 360-degree grinding in all directions. With a speed of 30,000 rotations per minute, this grinder completes its work swiftly. Cleaning up after grinding is a breeze, thanks to the complimentary brush included in the package. Plus, the power cord is detachable, making storage a hassle-free experience and saving valuable space in your kitchen. Before we wrap up, it's important to note that the Cool Night Herb Grinder is climate pledge friendly, featuring carbon emission offset projects. Now, let's take a look at what customers have to say about this product. As you can see, it has received an impressive 4.5-star rating from over 7,600 customers. Users have praised its sheerness, ease of use, value for money, and ease of cleaning. It's clear that this grinder has left a positive impression on many. So, there you have it, folks, the Cool Night Herb Grinder, your ultimate solution for quick and efficient herb grinding. With its large capacity, speed, safety features, and versatility, it's easy to see why this product is considered the best dry herb grinder on the market. If you're ready to elevate your herb grinding experience, don't hesitate to check out the Cool Night Herb Grinder. We've included a link in the video description below for your convenience. And remember to subscribe to Product Critique for more informative reviews and product recommendations. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.